Recently, I was having some issues with my machine and I wasn't sure what it was. It kept on making a clicking noise when I was embroidering, and all of the videos that I saw kept saying it was the needle, but I knew it wasn't the needle because the clicking noise happened when the needle was up in the up position, and it was also happening while I was even moving the needle very slowly, even with my hand. So every time it would go up like this, it would make a clicking sound. And it really sounded like it was coming from this area of the machine. So I opened this part, and if you don't know how to open this part, there should be some screws on your machine you can take out. I have two. Anyway, it wasn't that though. It really sounded like it was, but I ended up taking this off, looking and seeing what was happening. There's a lot of stuff in there, so I'm glad it wasn't anything in this portion because it probably would have taken a long time for me to fix it because there's so many components in here. It ended up being my feed dogs. So every time the needle went up and the feed dogs reached the highest point and then went back down, that's when the clicking noise would happen. And I didn't realize that because for most of the time I was trying to figure out what was going on. I had a piece of fabric here, which I know isn't the smartest thing, but that's just because I was so convinced it was coming from here. I didn't really think it was necessary to look in this area, but I finally did take the fabric out just by chance, and I was moving it really slowly and the clicking happened. So my point is, make sure if you have that clicking sound. For me, it was because I didn't put my throat plate on correctly. For this machine, the throat plate doesn't click into place when you take it out, and when you put it back in, it doesn't really click into place, so it's not really clear if you do have it in the right position. So I basically took it out. I made sure everything looked okay underneath the throat plate. I thought everything looked fine, so I just put the throat plate back on and made sure that like the presser feet were not coming into any contact with the edges. So I did that, and once I did that, the clicking completely stopped. And I do have a video of what it sounded like in the beginning of this video. So if you're having that same kind of sound, or it's not the needle, maybe it's your throat plate, maybe it's just not in the right position. And I just wanted to share that with you guys because I was having a really hard time figuring out what it was. It ended up being such a simple thing, which I'm so happy. It wasn't anything more serious. So yeah, this is just another reason you may hear the clicking sound. Also, initially, when I was moving the needle slowly, the clicking sound wasn't happening. It was happening when I was moving the needle very fast. So that also made it hard in the beginning to figure out where the clicking sound was coming from and what the issue was. It's a lot easier to find out where it's coming from if it happens when the needle is moving very slowly. So that's another reason why it took me a while to figure out, but toward the end, for some reason, it started happening when I was moving the needle slowly, and that helped me figure out what the issue was. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps some people. Sorry if this wasn't your issue. I know it's frustrating to watch a bunch of videos and the resolution doesn't really apply to you, but I'm hoping this helps some people, and if it helps some people, with whatever frustrating situation they're going through with their machine. I just wanted to share this information. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.